Guys, so this will probably be like the quickest video I make. So this is just a quick video about how you can make Subway vegan. And you do not need to be vegan to do this. This is a healthier option as well. So let's see if I can show you guys. I went and I got Italian bread. It has lettuce, tomato, onions, black olives, pickles, and banana peppers. And all I'm doing is adding avocado to it. Oh, and also I asked them to add some salt and pepper. And I'm adding avocados because they don't have avocados. They don't offer avocado there, which they should. To me, the avocado will make it more enjoyable. And it's better than adding mayo and any of the dressings that they have. So there you go. Thanks for watching.